In our research, the significance of fact-checking consistently emerged as a fundamental practice when using information generated by ChatGPT. Here are several illustrative examples where users consistently stress the importance of fact-checking. One user said, "To ensure the accuracy of ChatGPT generated information, I conducted thorough research and cross-referenced it. For example, when ChatGPT provided the title of the Unabomber's manifesto as Industrial Society and Its Future, I carefully verified it independently before using it in my own work." Many users universally adopted a similar approach, with one user affirming, "I frequently relied on ChatGPT for my assignments, but I consistently cross-checked the information it supplied with other dependable sources." A recurring theme in these narratives is the shared recognition that information generated by ChatGPT should not be taken at face value. Users inherently acknowledge the necessity of independent research and verification to ensure the accuracy and reliability of the information they integrated into their work. Furthermore, one user underscored the utmost significance of fact-checking, saying, "While ChatGPT can serve as a valuable resource, it may not consistently give accurate or relevant academic literature. Consequently, it's a good idea to corroborate the information it provides through careful fact-checking." An instructor also emphasized ChatGPT's role as a secondary source. They noted students often employ ChatGPT as a search tool to explore various subjects. Nevertheless, concerns linger regarding the origin of the information. Two critical issues have surfaced. Firstly, utilizing this information without appropriate attribution fails to credit the original author. Secondly, ChatGPT should be regarded as a secondary source, necessitating that any information procured from it be thoroughly fact-checked against reliable primary sources. In summary, these illustrative examples collectively emphasize the universal practice of fact-checking when relying on information generated by ChatGPT. Users across diverse contexts uniformly recognize the paramount importance of autonomous verification to safeguard the accuracy and credibility of the information they incorporate into their research and academic pursuits. Fact-checking stands as an indispensable step in ensuring the integrity and authenticity of information obtained from ChatGPT. This theme is also highlighted in the academic literature. For instance, Malanga 2023 placed significant emphasis on the critical evaluation of information generated by ChatGPT and the ability to distinguish between trustworthy and untrustworthy sources. In another study, Ferreira and Soliswaro 2023 acknowledged the advantages of using ChatGPT to boost productivity and efficiency in learning. However, they also stressed the necessity of maintaining a critical approach and verifying the information acquired. Their research underscores the crucial practice of fact-checking to confirm the accuracy and reliability of information generated by ChatGPT. Moreover, Alshater's 2022 study aligns with this overarching theme by underscoring the significance of fact-checking and the verification of information produced by these technologies. These academic perspectives collectively reinforce the universal importance of scrutinizing and verifying ChatGPT-generated information to ensure its credibility and trustworthiness. Looking at this through different perspectives can help us understand it better. First, let's use Christensen's lens. When people use ChatGPT, they're essentially hiring it for specific tasks like getting information, helping with research, and making learning more efficient. However, as we've seen, because ChatGPT has some limitations, users also realize they need to fact-check what it provides. Fact-checking is like a quality control step to make sure the information is accurate and trustworthy. So, in a way, it's like users are finding a solution to get the reliable knowledge they want, which is what Christensen talks about. Now let's look at it through Bourdieu's perspective. When users emphasize the importance of fact-checking, it's like they're showing their cultural capital and critical thinking skills. They're demonstrating their ability to make informed decisions by evaluating information carefully and telling apart what's reliable from what's not. In a way, it's a way of saying, I know how to think critically and make sure I have good information. It's like they're using their knowledge and skills to make sense of the world. From a Marxist viewpoint, fact-checking is interesting too. It's like a power thing. Users are saying, I don't just accept what ChatGPT says, I have the power to check and verify information on my own. It's a bit like not letting technology have too much influence over your decisions. So it's a way of saying, I'm in control here, not the AI. Finally, Heidegger's philosophy can help us understand this even more. When users fact-check, it's like they're actively engaging with the information from ChatGPT. They don't just take it as it is, they question it and check if it's right. It's a bit like having a conversation with ChatGPT, but also having your own critical voice. It's saying, I don't just trust everything. I'm part of this process and I make my own judgments. So, when we look at it from these different angles, fact-checking isn't just about making sure the information is correct, it's also about how users interact with technology, use their knowledge and skills, and assert their control and understanding of the world.